Hi, this is Shakib Hasan, student ID 236076, and in this video I'm gonna answer the question for session 1, which are question 1 to 5. So the first question is, how can a manager turn data into information? So there are several ways of turning data into information, but the most common and long has been used method is collecting raw data like customer information and their choices, anything, any type of raw data, and analyzing those data analyzing or feeding those data into a system and generating valuable and usable information. So that's how the I think that's how the modern data analytics has begun to turn data into information. So the next question is, what are the relationships among data, information, business intelligence, and knowledge? So data is, as I said in the previous answer for the previous question, that data is raw. It's in raw form. It's not organized. So information is organized, analyzed, and synthesized data, and that data is information. When data is I think arranged in a readable, understandable, and analytical manner, then that is called information. And when information is used to generate profit and run a business, that's when business intelligence begin. And that and using that business intelligence, when we find the interest of the customers and their what they want and their need, and what type of product we should produce, that knowledge is called, obviously, knowledge. So for the question 3, why is it important for a company to operate cross functionally? So cross functionality is basically coordination between the departments of a company, and that's very, very important according to me, because one department is dependent on the other department for information, data, and knowledge. Like, as let's say, for example, Coles, their customer service department is dependent on their product manufacturing department. So their customer service analyzes the information of the customers, what they want, what they need, and they give the information to the manufacturers or the HR, so they can manufacture a product. So that's how cross functionality works, I think. So the question 4 is, do I agree that MIS is essential for business operating in the information age? Of course, management information system is very, very important. And that's the answer is simple, because as I explained in the previous three answers, those answer all include why MIS is important for running a business. Basically, MIS deals with analyzing data, generating information, generating knowledge, and of course generating profit. So that's why I think MIS is very, very important for running a business. And for the last question, question number 5, it has asked me to explain systems thinking and how it supports explain system thinking and how it supports business operations. So system thinking, I think, is when a manager or a person who is in the managing department of a company, who operates within the company, he views the company as a whole, and he is the so-called web who is connecting all the departments of the company, and he is basically a communication bridge among the departments of a company. And he is operating in such a way that each department is generating information usable information and handing it out to another department, so they can use that information to generate profit, or a product or something like that. So that's why systems thinking is very, very important. So that will be the end of this video. Thank you so much.